As you can see, these human races are very dirty on the uppers, as well as the midsole and the sole, and we will be having to give these a quick clean in order to bring them back to life. We will be using Rejuvenator's Essential Cleaning Kit. Starting with the soft bristle brush, we will dip it into our solution mixed with water and apply it to the uppers. We will then use the medium bristle brush for the midsoles. And then we will use the stiff for the soles. And here's the before, and here's the after results.